streamline, then makabawi din sa Petronas. Hindi naman yung goal palagi ay different na po.
Thank you, Coach. And best player of the game, naman sa maging excellent. Kaya personally lang ba, paano mo minayset yung sarili mo to really help the team get this victory against Choco?
Siguro nagsimula din po talaga sa training. Yun nga, yung hindi namin nakuha yung game 1 ng semi-finals. Sinabi sa amin ni Coach na pinamindset sa amin na hawak pa rin namin yung kapalaran na. Nasa sa amin pa rin kung gustoy namin makabalik ng finals. Masaya po kami na nag-translate lahat ng pinaghirapan namin ng nakaraang mga training at nakuha namin yung mga panalo at nakabalik kami ng finals.
And for Adelaide, it was quite the journey for Dreamline ngayong conference na but now nasa finals na kayo. Gano'n ka lang din ka-proud sa naging progress ng team all throughout this conference na ngayon, ito na nasa last stage na kayo ng conference?
Very proud. I think this is my first time again back playing, going into the finals. And every conferences, we were talking about it, iba-iba yung story namin kung paano kami makakapasok sa finals. This one is another story. That's why we're gonna write again another story this conference. That's why we're very, very much excited. And all the things na pinagdaanan namin since day one up until now, daming struggles behind the scenes, but we're sticking together. And I think that's one thing that we're banking on, hopefully all throughout until we finish this conference.
Thank you. And for thoughts, yung gagawin yung teamwork ng Dreamline all throughout this conference. Personally, paano lang ba yung naging motivation for the team na ito ngayon nasa finals na kayo because of the teamwork that you guys have?
I think ulit-ulit kami, but I think yun yung sistema kasi ni Coach Sherwin, para mag-work siya, kailangan yung teamwork. Hindi namin kailangan kunin lahat ng bola, lalo na pag hindi sa amin papunta yung bola. Sorry. So, yun, I think last game, medyo nahirapan kami dun sa sorry. The last time we played with Petronas, medyo nahihirapan kami kasi nga, hindi namin na-control yung bola. So ngayon, pinindset lang namin na yung mga areas namin, kailangan namin makunan yung role namin and makuha yung mga bola. So, malaking bagay yun kasi sabi nga ni Coach Sherwin, lagi niya sinasabi na sarili niyo dala niyo. Pagdala mo yung sarili mo kasi yung team, nabubuo siya. So, parang puzzle lang ba? So, yun, I think ever since day one, yun din yung nakita ko sa Dreamline na team, simula nung pagpasok ko, na yun yung sagot ko lagi na bakit nananalo yung team, kasi nga dahil sa team. So hanggang ngayon, yun pa rin, nag-work siya na nag-work at gumagana siya. So yun yung hindi namin matuloy.
Thank you. And first, open for
Alyssa and Tots, yun nga, last year na-miss niyo yung last 2 conference dahil sa injuries. Ngayon, ano lang pakiramdam na after a very long All-Filipino, andito na ulit kayo at makakapaglaro kayo ng finals ulit with Dreamline?
A very long season. We're very, very excited. I mean, it's always nice yung feeling to be back in the finals and to put everything that we work on all throughout the hour training every single day na nalagay namin sa mga games. So, honestly, ako, excited lang ako with the team again to be back on the court, on and off the court din kung ano yung strategy that the coach support lang. But other than that, I'm very much excited to be back in the finals.
Kapatid ba?
Nicole.
Wala lang ako. Nag-concert tayo.
Hindi, ako, honestly, it's been a while for me kasi nakamiss ako ng mga ilang conferences. So it's just nice to be back here again. So, wala, natutuwa lang din ako. I just want to show my appreciation to the team, to the management, to the coaches na sinuportahan yung journey ng injury ko. So, sobrang grateful talaga ako sa support na binigay nila sa akin. Yun, the last time I was in
Oo, yun yung nag-press.
So,
naalala ko.
Yun. So, excited na ulit ako na maglaro. Yun kasi nga. Excited lang ulit ako na, yun nga, makalaro. Nalalala niya. Na maglaro kasi, yun nga, yung mga ganito, mga opportunity sa mga, minsan lang to na bibigay at yung mga nagtatrabaho talaga yung na napupunta sa ganito mga experiences. So, natutuwa kami na yung laban na binibigay namin everyday, yung laban na binibigay namin, lalo na kami yung mga na-injured, nagta-translate sa mga laro namin. So, sobrang excited and sobrang thank you sa lahat na sumuporta sa akin. Bossing.
Coach, ngayon ko game 10 blocks yung game time. Buong playoffs, kung magiging story ng kasabihan yung blocking, Rhea, Kapanis, and deliver. So ngayon po facing Petrogas na marami rin talagang matitinding spikers. Gano'n po kayo masatisfied sa pag-improve ng blocking ng defense and just in time in the finals against Petrogas?
Siyempre, every time naman, every training, kailangan na may improve. So, Petrogas, mas talagang tatrabahoin namin ang gusto kasi siyempre hindi pa naman tapos yung laban. Prepare kami for Petrogas para sana maulit namin yung mas madami kami mag-block sa Petrogas. Yun yung target namin.
Grabe na yung Petrogas, kumbaga sa yung rival of Sorsitas sa PBL pagdating sa mga championships. Ngayon, you're entering the finals coming off a loss against Petrogas sa gano'n ka-different yung magiging chapter ng Petrogas Women rivalry, given na they've gotten together with you this season.
Oh, it's always been a classic whenever we play against Petrogas in the finals, and it's always going to be so tight and exciting. We can't expect less than that. So coming into the final series, we're just gonna work harder. Well, honestly, I think one of the things that gagawin namin, makikinig kami sa mga coaches namin. Kasi mas nakikita nila. Yun yung isa sa mga things na we want to work on, and communication. Kasi it would be a huge series. Definitely, maingay, madaming mangyayari. But I think if we communicate effectively on those crucial times, hopefully, malagay namin and ma-implement namin lahat ng mga ginawa namin sa training. So yun lang. It's one of the way to welcome us back at the finals.
Para kay Coach or
Kay Coach yun.
How do you consider yourself as Petrogas? Kayo ba yung underdogs? Kayo ba yung favorite considering na this is your second straight finals appearance and 14th in the last 15? Pero yung Petrogas, tinalo ko yung straight sets ng series. How do you consider yourself as underdog?
Four sets.
Tinalo ko yung series. So, tsaka recently yung Petrogas. How do you consider yourself?
I think match naman talaga yung Petrogas and Creamline. Kasi 1-1 sila this conference. Pero siguro kasi parehas senior team parehas veteran team. So I think medyo lang mga Creamline sa amin, sa game medyo yung chemistry ng team lagi naman nandiyan. Talagang pagpapaguran lang namin. Pero ang Petrogas talaga senior team din sila. As in talagang halos wala rin bago dun sa lineup nila. So I think maganda talaga yung laban sa finals. Pero I think na mga, syempre Creamline kami, hindi kami basta-basta magpapatalo. Yung number 1 sa amin na mag-defend yung crowd. So natrabahoy na yung mabuti.
Nice.
Same. Honestly, I would say both teams have been through different journeys just in this conference. So kung sino lang magbibigay ng buong puso, siguro yun lang yung lalamang din in this series. But definitely, hindi magpapatalo yung Creamline in terms of giving our all and giving our hearts out during the finals. So yeah, we'll work harder, be smarter, and let's see on Tuesday on our first game.
Coach, ang company's handling program season. She's been present for contest and thoughts and Adelaide facing program season.
Actually, kinalimutan muna namin yung Petrogas, lalo na si Juan Sige. So, kasi may mga mas crucial, hindi naman ako nakakabawi pag inisip pa namin sila. So, mas crucial yung mga natirang games namin. I think ngayon, napag-aaralan na mabuti yung mga tactics na medyo adjustment kami. Pero sa ngayon pa lang, kasi ngayon pa lang kami pumasok sa finals ulit sa mga kalaban ng Petrogas. So, mag-aaralan mo na mabuti ngayon.
Thoughts on facing her, on facing program?
Ano ba? Sabi nga ni Coach, pag-aaralan pa rin namin yung Petro kasi nga yung final slot namin. Hindi naman siya naging sure talaga agad hindi natapos yung mga games. For Brooke, I think every game naman palagi yan maglalaro talaga at maglalaro siya. I think yun nga, kami naman, if we, kung gagawin namin yung trabaho namin, I think mapipigilan naman din namin siya. It's just that mental game din kasi talaga yun. Pag naisahan ka nito, kailangan mo talaga mag-reset, bumalik sa trabaho mo. So, I think yung finals nga, sabi, dalawa veteran team. So, I think yung mental toughness din talaga yung magiging basehan kung sinong mas matitira sa team.
For Kyle, yung last two finals in Green Line, na-deliver din niya the finals MVP din. So, ngayon, I'm looking forward to another finals and this time naman yung counterpart sa kabila, veterans and si Chi and si Janelle. So, gano'n na looking forward to this finals na yung veteran.
Siguro po ngayong finals, ibang istorya naman. Kasi sa hinaba-haba ng conference. Hinaba-haba ng conference. Haba. Una, masaya po kami na nakarating ulit kami ng finals. Siguro siya na po bahala. Siyempre, clear na po ako siya. Thank you so much.
For Adelaide, other side naman si Myla, sabay yung resurgence na kumbaga this time. And during the days na din naman kayo yung kumbaga for Ateneo Link, you were the top of the league din. So, after all these years, you're like the championship naman. So, playing Myla back, how much are you looking forward to playing all this season?
Very, very much excited. She's well adjusted in the team after how many years at Petrogas. She's, I think, this is her fittest to date, if I may say, sa lahat na nakikita namin sa mga games. And definitely, the fire in her is back. So, it's harder to fight against those kind of players na alam mo may andun yung fire, andun yung passion, and condition. So, pagdating sa side namin, yun din yung, magdodoble extra hard work din talaga kami para matapatan namin yung mga ganong challenges. So, veteran teams, both mentally tough, but definitely it's up to the coaches. Ending, it's up to the coaches.
Mas veteran pa nga sila sa akin.
Yes. Wow. Thank you, Coach! Yes. But,
Aisa and Chi.
yeah. Mga OGs. So, well, learn from them. We want to give them a good fight. So we're gonna work harder in the next trainings, few days to train to prepare for them.
Thank you, guys.
Yay! Thank you!